Is there a mail for me? Yes, there is. But it's like an ice cream store.
No. Hello friends.
Hello friends.
Welcome to our channel
Welcome to our channel Chiku.
Arts and Crafts. Today we are going to see how to make a mailbox from a waste cardboard box. Let's see what are the materials we needed for today's project.
Marker, scissors, scale,
Craft knife,
craft knife, glue,
lace.
lace,
This is an optional one.
construction paper,
And a cardboard box.
cardboard box.
In today's project we are using the cereal box. Let's start making it. Take the cardboard box and stick the color paper to the 3/4 of the height. Smaller kids do use the knife and the scissor with the parents or elders' guidance. Leave equal spaces at the sides and draw a rectangle shape. We are going to cut this and take it out, and this is where we are going to drop the
Mails.
Yes, you're
So
right.
I can get the mails.
Yes. Now, using this cut out cardboard, we are going to draw a rectangle shape on another paper, another construction paper. You can use the same color or the different color, but just make sure you leave equal space at both sides. Take the box and close all the 3 sides and keep the one side open. So we are gonna leave it little bended like this. So this is like shade. So when the rain comes, this is gonna cover this area so mails don't get
Wet
yes.
and soiled.
Yes, you're right. And stick the black construction paper, including the shed area. So measure how much ever paper we want to cover this top area as well as this shed area, and then cut the rest. Run the paper through the edges so that we get the mark. Now we are done with the front side. Now we are going to cover the back side of the mailbox. Here we drop the mail inside, but how do we take the mail outside?
From cut
We
the
need
hole.
some way. Yes. So here is where we are going to make
Okay.
the hole.
Okay.
Draw an arc shape or a rectangle square. Now let's stick this paper on the back side. Now let's cut this arc. Don't cut the bottom, just
But
cut
the
the
arc.
other three sides.
Why should we not cut the bottom?
So the door stays with the box. Pull this arc outside and we're gonna stick the
Draper.
yes. It's almost done. We have completed the front and the back side. Let's cover the sides, top and bottom with more paper. Measure the sides and cut the construction paper into appropriate sizes.
This is like an ice cream store.
It's the mailbox.
But it's like an ice cream store.
No ice cream store will be in the red and black.
But it looks like ice cream store to
The
me.
shapes,
Yes.
it's like the window where they deliver the ice cream.
Yes, and we go in here, inside the shop.
Yes. So,
What do you think?
yeah, you can pretend play like that. Well, do you want to decorate more?
Yeah.
What do you want to stick?
I want to stick.
How about this art?
About unicorn. Too big butterfly. To add more colors, you can add some stickers like this and some laces too,
Yeah,
if you
that's
want
correct.
it. Or if you don't want it, it's okay. You can leave it.
To open this door smoothly, we have to add the doorknob. So for that, you can fix any cap that you have, like a pen cap or any marker cap on this. And today we are going to use this from the last toy. So,
It's looking good. Fantastic.
right, that's awesome.
Ew.
So it's much easier to open the door. Do you want to check the mail?
Yes. I'm going to check my mails. Bye-bye. Oh, you can come. Come on. Is there a mail for me? Yes, there is. Let's go see. There's a mail from my grandma. enjoyed our video.
We'll meet you in another artwork in the next video. Until then, bye.
Bye.